Hey guys, welcome back to Gadgets for Gentlemen. My name is Lawrence. In this video, a very short how-to wind the movement of this Invicta watch. One of my subscribers asked me how to do it, so let me demonstrate it to you. As you can see, this automatic watch is currently not running because I haven't worn it for a couple of days. Let's have a closer look at that beautiful dial. Truly fantastic watch, very affordable. Now, to get started, first thing we need to do is unscrew this crown. So let me just move it gently downwards, as you can see here. And as you can see, the crown gets loose. And this is what I would call the neutral position of the crown. Up next, what we can do to charge the watch movement is to turn the crown upwards. And I hope the microphone of this camera will catch the sound when we turn this crown. It will charge the movement. And now let's keep a close look on the second hand. Yes, we can see that the second hand is running again. So this way we charge the movement. And yeah, if you start your day and if you throw on this beautiful Invicta watch or any other automatic watch with a winding feature on the crown, it's always good to give it, let's say, about 20 turns upwards to charge the movement. So this is the way to charge the movement. Now, up next, if you want to change the date, then we bring the crown to the second position. So let me demonstrate it to you again. So this was the neutral position. The neutral position is when you unscrew the crown. There's a neutral position. You can use your nail to get underneath the crown and pull it towards my thumb to the right. Then you hear one click, that is the first position, and then we pull it again to the right and we are in the second position. Now this allows us to change the time, and my advice is, if you want to change the date, to make sure that you move the watch towards the 6 o'clock position in the morning. So here we can tell that we're dealing with about 11 p.m. So we're entering midnight. As you can see, the date already changed even before 12 o'clock midnight. So this would be midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. I always make sure to change the date at 6 a.m. This way you don't mess up the movement of your watch. So now we are at 6 a.m. and we can push back the crown to the neutral position. You can see that the second hand is running again because this watch has a hacking feature. Now, in order to change the date, we go to the first position. We are at 6 o'clock in the morning, and to change the date, all we need to do is turn the crown downwards. As you can see here, that's the 28, 29, 30, 31, and today it's the 1st of June. So that's that. So the date is correctly set to 1st of June. The crown is in the first position for the date changing. Now I pull it out once more to set the time correctly. So this is 6 a.m. and I'm going to move upwards. Always make sure to move upwards. Don't move downwards to go back in time, always go ahead. So this is about 10 a.m., 11, midday, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I think it's about 9 p.m. And now we push back the crown inside. And again, to show you, this is the neutral position. The watch is running 1st of June, 9 p.m. Everything works fine. I give it a few more spins, winds by going upwards. And now the final part, I'm finished. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push down the crown, and at the same time I'm going to turn the crown upwards to secure the crown between those crown guards. So I'm gonna make sure to thread in the crown, and that is to make sure that the watch is waterproof. So again, I'm going to press down the crown to the left side, and now I'm gently, while pushing, turning the crown upwards, and this allows us to screw down the crown. Now, as you can see, we cannot turn the crown anymore. It's very securely pressed down, and now the watch is waterproof. So again, if you want to change the date or the time, the first step is to turn the crown downwards to remove the lock, and then you automatically end up in the the neutral position of the crown. So if you're done, press down and move the crown upwards, and as you can see, that secures the crown. So that's it. This is the beautiful Invicta dive watch. I'll leave the model number in the description. And this setup works with most of the automatic watches around. So even if you don't have this Invicta watch, my tutorial could be helpful for your watch. Just make sure that you do read the instructions of your particular watch to make sure you're following through with the right instructions. And again, this is the 8926OB, which is basically a Seiko movement, the NH35, I think, which is similar to the 4R15 Seiko movement. So very nice and steady watch movement, which allows hacking and hand winding the movement. I think it's pretty accurate. And there we have a closer look inside. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload this video. Someone asked me to make this video, so there we go. If you like my video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.